Yes, good morning, my dear students. Now we are going to talk about Unit 4, Unit 6, Hardware and Software. Unit 6, Hardware and Software. First one, Learning Objectives. This class learning objectives to identify software and hardware of a computer. And next point, to distinguish the feature of hardware and software. Third point, to recognize different types of software. And last one, to identify some open source software and utilize them effectively. Okay, first one, introduction. Computer is a device comprising both hardware and software. The functions of software and hardware combines together to make the computer functional. The hardware device helps to enter input information. The software processes the input data and gives the output in the monitor. A hardware device, thus computers is like a human body, where human body is the hardware and soul is the software. Listen, where human body is the hardware and soul is the software. Okay, what is the hardware? Hardware is the parts of the computer which we can touch and feel. Hardware includes input and output devices, cabinet, hard disks, motherboard, CPU, RAM, and etc. Next one, software. Hardware is lifeless without software in a computer. Hardware is lifeless without software in a computer. Software are programmed and coded applications to process the input information. The software processes the data by converting the input information into coding or programmed language. Touching and feel, the software is not possible, but touching and feeling, the software is not possible. But we can see the function of the software in the form of computer. Types of software. Two types of software. One, system software and application software. System software is another called operating software. What is the system software? System software is software that makes the hardware devices process the data inputted by the user and to display the result on the output devices like monitor. Without the operating system, computer cannot function on its own. Some of the popular operating systems are Linux, Windows, Mac, Android, etc. Two types of softwares, one system software and another one application software. Say the now application software is a program or a group of programs designed for the benefit of end user to work on computer. The application programs can be installed in the hard disk for the usage on a particular computer. This type of application program completes one or more than two works or the end user. The following are the examples of application program: video player, audio player, word processing software, and drawing tools, games, and etc. This chart, the flow chart. What is the software? Set of program that governs the functioning of computer. Two types of software: system software and application software. What is the system software? Controls the internal computer operation. What is the application software? Carries out necessary operation for a specific application to function. Two types of system software: system management program and developing software. What is the system management program? First one, operating system and device drivers and system utilizers. Developing software: programming language, language translator, linker, loader, and etc. And general purpose software. There are types of application software: word processor, presentation, spreadsheet, image editor, and etc. Specific purpose software: reservation system, attendance system, billing system, and etc. System and application software. Two types: free and open source, and paid and proprietary software. First one, free and open source. Wait. Free and open source. Free and open software is available at a free or cost and can be shared to many end users. Free software is editable and customizable by the user and this leads to updation or development on new software. Examples of free and open source software: Linux, OpenOffice, operating system, Chargebra, etc. And paid and property software. There is software that is to be paid to use either permanently or temporarily. Those types of softwares are paid and need a license to use it. The license of the software would not be provided unless it is purchased. Similarly, the end users are legally prohibited to steal the software program or to use the pirated version of the paid and proprietary software. Some of the examples of paid and proprietary software are Windows, Microsoft Office, Adobe, Photoshop, and etc. So today practice question: what is hardware and software? Okay, students. Thank you, students. God bless you.